making these Vanishing Oatmeal Cookies 3 different ways so that these little critters can feel all special and loved because they have the cookie made just the way they like it. And to make it a little bit more healthier, we're using the glyphosate-free rolled oats and all organic ingredients. Of course, we're going to blend our sugars and our butter first, then we add them eggs and vanilla and whip it up real good. Then the flour and the baking soda and the salt was already pre-mixed off to the side because I don't want to bore y'all, and we're going to mix that in. The idea here is to create the plain cookie dough. Take some of that for your plain ones, and then we've got some for the raisins and another one for the chocolate and the walnuts. I just made as many plain ones as I wanted first, and then the rest of the dough I separated for the other 2 kinds. From the Pioneer Kettle Cookbook again, y'all. I will put the full recipe in the description of this video. Smash the like button and be a good neighbor and subscribe.